Hello everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing and review of a diorama from the brand Moreart. Moreart is also known for the brand Moreart. You got some motorcycles, scooter figures, etc. Box dioramas from the brand Moreart. These containers are from the brand Moreart, and Time Micro is also a part from Moreart. Well, let's open the box. You can see it's still in the plastic. There we go. By the way, here we got the barcode and article number. It is the Initial D Movie Edition Integrated Photo Frame Scene Model. And I believe it comes ready out of the box. Feels pretty heavy. Oh no, you have to do a couple of things yourself. There we go. I think it's best if I use this box. Okay, now we can have a better look. Be careful, because this photo frame is made out of wood, really good quality. Yeah. Then we have a piece of plexiglass, and we can push it out like this. I'll place it right here. Okay, this is for the connection with the battery. And here we got some extra parts. This is for protection. And here we got the 3D Initial D house. I believe there is no instruction manual. I hope it means that it is very simple to assemble. Okay, yep. We need some glue. Got this here, Autumn Mountain. And we got these fans here. And this should go right here. Oh, that is a sticker. Thank you very much for that. So I don't have to use any glue. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no. We place it right here. There we go. Okay, let's place this into the diorama. Yeah. This should be right here. Okay, but I see also two holes here. So I think it's better to first put this one right here. There we go. Fits perfect. Then we got the other one. We place that right here. Yeah. Then we go for the initial D tofu shop. Fits also perfect. And as you can see, there's only one hole left. Come on. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Okay, now I think you can choose if you want to use batteries. I think it's 2 AA batteries, yes. But I'm going for the battery. So we got this cable. We put that in right here. And now I have to get a battery. Okay, here I've got the battery. Is it charged? So wait. Absolutely. There we go. Then here's the on-off switch. Nice. I like it. That is really cool. Okay, now we have to put a car inside. I do have another initial D diorama right here, with also initial D figures that are also from Moreart. You can place it right here. And then we got this dude. Put you right here. And then we got the Toyota. Is there place for another car? I got another initial D car right here with a figure inside. And I can place it in front of the shop. Yep, that's possible. And then this dude can go right here. There we go. Let's see. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. And then, of course, plexiglass in front of it, so no dust inside. Yeah, I like it. Do I have more photo frame dioramas from the brand Moreart? Yes, I do. It is right here. I got this one, the garage, and I've got This one is pretty heavy. The Red Bull version. How cool is that? Did a review of both of them. You can look it up. Here is my other tofu shop diorama. And I have another one. Moreart made a couple of them. Still, I think this one is the coolest. But I do like the photo frame diorama as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, click, click. Have a very nice day. Bye.